AG Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the cool myth around here, and basically what this is some polarized sunglasses. If you guys can see it from this brand right here, and they actually make a lot of different glasses or sunglasses. But I'm actually open up this one right here to show you guys which one we got. Alright, so when we open up, this is basically what it actually looks like. Let's take it out. Alright, so first thing we see inside, they do provide a little bag right here. And the other side right here, they do provide a lens wiping cloth, so you can use that to wipe off the lens. Alright, so you can definitely see that they do provide a lens wiper right here. And the other thing right here is actually a little bag. So you can definitely use it to like carry the little glasses inside if you guys want to, which is super nice and super convenient. Definitely really nice how they provide you guys this option here. But right here we have the actual sunglasses, so let's take it out to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so right here we have the product and it's all nicely wrapped. And right here they do have a little polarized tester that you can use to check out the actual lens to see when it's actually polarized or not. But let me actually take out the wrapper to show you guys what the product looks like first. And we'll also take out the tester right here as well. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like. So definitely it is a polarized lens that they use on here. And when you guys look or view at the side of the actual sunglasses right here, it definitely feels like a high quality metal that they use on here. In terms of the hinges right here, they definitely have high quality material that they use on here as well. And definitely it is a high quality design. In terms of the nose piece or the nose pad right here, it definitely feels really comfortable. So when you guys put it on, it definitely feels really nice. But let's put it on to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when we put it on, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So it definitely looks very cool and very unique. But let me actually use a tester to see whether or not the polarizing option works on here. So I'm looking at the actual polarized tester right here. It definitely looks like it actually does work. So when I actually don't wear the sunglasses, I don't see anything on here. But when I actually put it on, I definitely see like the logo and everything on here with the flowers on the side as well. So when I actually put on the sunglasses, it definitely looks pretty nice. Actually feels really comfortable as well. So if you guys wanted to wear this all day, you definitely can. So now that we're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the sunglasses, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want more and need one of these. Especially if you guys like this design or any of the other designs that's from this brand, especially the ones that are polarized, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.